name is Samantha Ford and I'm the General Manager of Watford Palace Theatre. We've been asked to wear face coverings when we leave our houses, and so I'm going to show you how to make a face covering, and a face covering which doesn't have to be dull. There are lots of instructions, but I have found a set of instructions which are really simple and they require no sewing. All you need is some material. Use an old cushion cover. You could use an old sparkly dress. I'm going to use a pillowcase, Groovy Chick pillowcase that used to belong to my daughters. You also need a ruler, a pen, a pair of scissors, kitchen towel and elastic bands. You start off by marking out a square on the material. It has to be a minimum of 30 centimetres or 12 inches by 30 centimetres or 12 inches. I've just finished doing the last remaining line. You then cut out the square, but in true Blue Peter fashion, here is one that I cut out earlier. Take the square, fold it in half and make a firm crease. You then take your kitchen towel, or it could be a coffee filter, and put that in the middle. Fold the top into the middle, fold the bottom up into the middle. You then take your elastic bands, in this case hair bands, which again I have borrowed from my daughters, and you put one on one side about 1/3 of the way in, and then the second on the other side about 1/3 of the way in, and you then fold over into the middle and tuck one side into the other side, and there is your face mask. Before I put it on though, it is important to say that every time you go out in your face mask, it has to be washed when you get home, and the paper towel must be replaced before you use it again. So here we go, a groovy face mask.